こんにちは、What's up? Ninjapanese です。今日は when 時を勉強します。When I'm sleepy, I drink coffee. 眠い時、コーヒーを飲みます。So today we will only cover noun, adjective, 時。For example, when I'm sleepy, I drink coffee. 眠い時、コーヒーを飲みます。Did you knowいadjective, na adjective, and noun, they have different rules for 時. This is a very common mistake for Japanese learners, so please make sure to master this grammar today. And I started private online lessons, so if you want to practice speaking Japanese or if you want to learn how to make sentences in Japanese, please check the link in the description. You can book a trial lesson from the link. And if you want to download the PDF materials of my YouTube channels, please join Ninjapanese membership. The link is also in the description. Alright, anyway, are you ready? Okay, let's get started!
Ninjapa.
First, let's learn 3 example sentences. Okay, the first one is this. コーヒーを飲みます。When? いつコーヒーを飲みます。When I'm sleepy. You can say 眠い時。眠い時、コーヒーを飲みます。Okay? 眠い is い adjective or na adjective? Yes, い adjective. Okay, how about this? 日本語の勉強ができません。I can't study Japanese. When you can't study Japanese, いつはい、仕事が大変です。You can say 仕事が大変な時。仕事が大変な時。Okay, 大変 is it い adjective or na adjective? はい、na adjective. So when you use na adjective with 時 you need na. Okay, 大変な時。Right. How about this? いつも写真を撮ります。I take pictures. 写真を撮ります。いつ when? レッスンの時。レッスンの時、いつも写真を撮ります。レッスン is it い adjective or na adjective or noun? Yes, it's a noun. So when you use noun with 時 you need の Okay? レッスンの時。レッスンの時、いつも写真を撮ります。Alright. 一度書きましょう。はい。眠い時、コーヒーを飲みます。はい。仕事が大変な時、勉強ができません。I can't study. はい。レッスンの時、いつも写真を撮ります。So again, ルールは何ですか？ What's the rules? はい。眠い、い adjective plus 時、い adjective 時。大変な adjective な adjective な時な時 and lesson it's a noun so noun の時 so い adjective な adjective noun they have different rules so you have to remember it first and then practice using everything okay I know it's not easy but let's get used to it はい、じゃあもっと練習しましょう Let's practice more エアコンをつけます Turn on エアコンいつ when it's hot, when I'm hot you can say 暑い時 OK 暑い時エアコンをつけます。いいですね。How about this? 家族に電話します。I'll call my family. When? いつ When I'm lonely. 寂しいです。時寂しい is a I adjective or not adjective? Yes, I adjective. So, 寂しい時家族に電話します。寂しい時家族に電話します。寂しい and you might learn 寂しい They both are exactly the same meaning. So, I personally use 寂しい but some people use 寂しい So, both are correct. 大丈夫です。Okay, so 寂しい時 or 寂しい時 Okay, next 薬を飲みます。I take medicine. Okay, いつ When? When I have a headache. I have a headache. In Japanese, we use adjective. Did you know that? My head ache ですね。painful. 頭が痛いです。頭が痛いです。時 So, you can say 頭が痛いとき薬を飲みます。頭が痛いとき薬を飲みます。How about when I have a stomachache? Stomach in Japanese is お腹。So, お腹が痛いとき薬を飲みます。Okay, and I have a sore throat. You can say, okay, throat is 喉 So, same rules. 喉が痛いとき薬を飲みます。Okay, next. はい、ゲームします。いつ When? When I feel bored. 暇です。Okay, 暇 is I adjective or na adjective? Yes, na adjective. So, do you remember the rules? That's correct. 暇な時ゲームします。暇な時ゲームします。はい、じゃあ What do you do when you feel bored? Bored? はい、暇な時何をしますか？私は暇な時 YouTube を見ます。アニメを見ます。映画を見ます。What about you? 暇な時何をしますか？ Please let me know in the comment. Okay? じゃあ next. はい。うちで本を読みます。Read books at home. いつ雨 Okay. 雨 is a noun or adjective. Yes, it's a noun. So, you can say, do you remember? Noun. の。そう。雨の時、うちで本を読みます。雨の時、うちで本を読みます。Okay, how about this? スーツやドレスを着ます。We wear suits or dress. いつ When? 結婚式 So you can say 結婚式の時スーツやドレスを着ます。This is Japanese culture, but I know some country they don't really have to wear dress or suits 結婚式の時 right? But in Japan you have to prepare suits or dress. Okay, anyway, next. シンガポールに行きました。I went to Singapore. When? いつ？はい。When I was 22 years old. 22歳の時。Okay, 22歳の時、シンガポールに行きました。Okay, so your age の時。 いいですね。Last はい。I used to play basketball when I was junior high school and high school. はい。junior high school 中学 high school 高校 So they are a noun, right? So you can say 中学と高校の時中学と高校の時バスケをしていました。していました means like I used to. I have made video about I used to. So if you haven't watched this video, please check this out. お疲れ様でした。Now you can use when with an adjective, na adjective, and noun. Watching this video once is not enough to master this grammar because I know it's quite difficult. Each one has different rules. So again, always, please make your own sentences and practice many times. And please write your sentences in the comment so that I can see if you understand. Alright, if you like this video, please give me いいね。それからサブスクライブもよろしくお願いします。And Instagram でも日本語を教えています。こちらもフォローよろしくお願いします。And if you haven't watched these videos, please also check them out. Alright, I'll see you very soon. せーの、ニンニン、またねー。